In this video, I'm going to show you how to implement lenses onto table reports. So as you can see here, this is our plan on page, which is part of our DIY apps site. So at the moment, this report does not have any base filter on, so it's showing every record that we have, but it does sort by the project title. So as you can see, it's in alphabetical order. Lenses are a really great way of creating a saved filter that people can easily click through. So this is part of our new quick filtering system. If you go into App Studio and find the report that you are after, so in this case we've got the plan register, scroll down, you can see base filter, grouping and sorting. So at the moment on this original report, we just have it sorted by the project title. And then to add a lens, you go into the lenses section, click add. And for this example, I'm going to add 2 reports. One report will be just for the status red records. So this will exclude every other record except for ones that have a status, which is red. So the grouping and sorting will pull through from the original report. So at the moment, there's no grouping, but there is sorting by project title, which is the alphabetical section. Select lens filter fields. This is where you'll select which field you want to filter by. So in our case, we want to do status, and then equals red. You can also do not equals. So for example, if you wanted to look at all reports except for the green ones, if that maybe indicates it being done, then you can put not equals green, and that will filter out all of the green ones. So status equals red. Also going to do another one, which is by team. So for example, if you want to see all of the records and then you want to also be able to look by team, you can have lenses set up for each team so that you can quickly filter through each of the teams without having to do it manually. You'll just be able to click on the lens, but I'll show you that at the end. So again, the sorting will pull through from the original report and there's no grouping on this one. So then if you go to team, because this is a text field, you'll need to go to equals and then team 11, click OK. And there you have it. You have 2 new lenses there. Click save and then add your publish note. So adding 2 new lenses to the report. Click OK. Make sure you wait until the app has been published and then you can go back into Workspace, resync the app, and here are the 2 lenses. So when you click on status red, you can see that we have gone from 39 records to 10, and it is just pulling through the status red ones, but it is still in alphabetical order by project title. So when you look at the filter, you can see this bottom one here is the base filter of this lens, status equals red, and then this is the sorting, so sort by project title. And then if you go into team 11, it is the same idea. It is still in alphabetical order through project title. And this time it is just pulling through team 11 records. So we've gone from 39 to just 5 here. So this is a great way of being able to save filters and quickly navigate through them whilst keeping your original report intact. I hope this has helped. Thank you.